Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make taco powder. Creating your own blend is surprisingly simple and allows you to control the ingredients. You'll need a few common spices you likely already have in your pantry. This homemade mix is a fantastic alternative to store-bought packets, offering fresher flavor and no unwanted additives. Let's get started by looking at the key ingredients you'll need to gather for this delicious seasoning. Now, let's mix these wonderful spices together. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Finally, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For an extra kick, consider adding a pinch of red pepper flakes. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Proper storage is key to keeping your homemade taco powder fresh and flavorful. Once mixed, transfer your seasoning blend into an airtight container or a clean spice jar. Store it in a cool, dark pantry or cabinet, away from any heat sources or direct sunlight. This will help preserve its aroma and taste for up to 6 months. When cooking, use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your homemade powder for every 1 pound of ground meat or beans. There are many fantastic benefits to making your own taco powder. You avoid unwanted fillers, additives, and can control the sodium content, making it a healthier choice. Plus, you get to select high-quality, fresh spices, resulting in superior flavor. Customization is simple. Adjust the chili powder or add cayenne for more heat, or reduce it for a milder blend. This DIY approach is also budget-friendly, saving you money compared to purchasing individual packets over time.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.